Hello crypto family, welcome back to Crypto Tubes. I'm host Paras, and in today's video I will talk about GEKKO token once again. This token has been trending the moment it got listed on crypto.com. Clearly you can see the pump in the price the day it got listed. The news spreaded and you can see the token pump from ashes to the skies. It has pumped like crazy. Now it is again making a way for the second pump and it can explode anytime. Now if you are someone who's invested in GEKKO token or planning to invest in GEKKO token, this video is for you because you should know how your token should reflect in Metamask wallet, how you can add GEKKO token to Metamask wallet and check your balance if you transfer this token from exchange to your wallet. How to do that is what this video is about. Now before I start, remember I have created 2 videos about GEKKO token in the past. You can click on the link below to check out all the videos related to GEKKO token, and also remember to click the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and remember to join my Telegram community to stay updated on such crypto pumps, crypto pre-sales, and also crypto airdrops. Now remember, your support matters the most, so please check out the description of this video and check out my Ethereum wallet address. You can support me by donating Ethereum. Now let's get started and talk about GEKKO, adding GEKKO token to your Metamask wallet with ease. So this is the wallet address I have. This is my Metamask. Of course, if you are holding any other wallet which is ERC20 compatible, you can follow the same steps like I'm going to show you right now. And if you're holding Metamask, well, it's a cakewalk for you. So please watch this video till the end as I show you step by step how you can add GEKKO token, or as a matter of fact, any ERC20 token into your wallet, right? So you don't have to worry about losing tokens. You don't have to worry about transferring it. The token will be displayed right in front of your screen. So this is how you do it. So in front of me, I have my Metamask wallet. You can see I am on the Ethereum network. So make sure to be on Ethereum network by checking here, which will give you the list of network. So by default, it's Ethereum. So correct, we are on Ethereum network. And now you can see set of tokens which are shown right over here. Now I cannot see GEKKO token added into my token list. So I need to add it. How? That's pretty simple. So first of all, I need to go back and check the smart contract. Make sure to add the right smart contract and then proceed further. So this is the official smart contract of GEKKO token. I will share the link in the description, but if you want to check out this link in general, you can go to their official Twitter handle, and here you can see this is their official smart contract, correct? So copy this link. So let me just show you or compare. This address is same as what I've shown right over here, this address. So both are the same addresses. So you need to copy this token smart contract and then go back to your Metamask wallet, which is right over here. Let me just open it up. Okay, this is, oh, just close it. Okay. Oops. Second. Let me open my Metamask once again, and once it gets opened, so meanwhile you can also check my playlist on meme coins by clicking the link above or in the description. That contains a list of all major meme coins that pumped in 2023. So let's it load further, and so the Metamask is opened. Go down here, click on this option which is import tokens, right? Click on import token and proceed with the next step. You can search the token, but since we have this, GEKKO is a pretty new token, it won't reflect in the search option. Of course, if you have USDT or any other token, it will be reflecting here. But if you search GEKKO, it won't show here at all because it is pretty new. It is just a few days old. Oh, it is showing right over here, but I suggest not to go with this option because there can be copies of this token. So it is better to go to this custom token option, okay, and enter the token contract address which I just showed you. I copied it, remember, and paste it right here. So once you paste it, it will automatically fetch the token ticker which is GEKKO. Everything is set. You don't have to do anything right now. Just keep it as it is. Okay, make sure the token address should be correct. That's the main thing that you must notice. Otherwise, your GEKKO token won't reflect in your wallet, especially in the MetaMask wallet. Now, click on next. Do not change anything in the token decimal. Just click on next. And once you do it, you can import the balance of your token into your MetaMask wallet. Click on import. And just like that, your GEKKO token has been added into your wallet. Now let me go back and show you when the token loads. So the token is not reflecting here at the moment. So there is one thing that you need to do to make it reflect into your MetaMask wallet if you haven't added it or bought it yet. So go to settings. Okay, then go to this general option and go down here and keep going down here and just turn off this option, hide token without balance. So let's say if you're adding GEKKO token for the first time, it has not been added into your wallet, you haven't yet transferred this token into your wallet, just turn it off and then go back and now let it load and let's see the magic. You will see GEKKO token right over here into your MetaMask wallet. Now once you transfer it, you will see the number of tokens right over here and you can see the corresponding balance right over here. So that's how easy you can add any token. Now make sure, one thing you need to make sure that it should be ERC20 token. You should copy this address. You should be on etherscan.io and you can cross check whether or not the balance that is reflecting in your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet is similar to that on the Etherscan by entering your address here and checking the balance within the Etherscan address. So that's how easily you can add GEKKO token into your MetaMask wallet. Remember, it is listed on crypto.com and with Bitcoin reaching $35,000, the chances of this token pump is pretty high at the moment. There are positive sentiments. I covered that in my video, in my previous videos. You can check out that video. And yeah, just like that, remember, it is a meme coin. Most meme coins are pump and dump. So please do your due diligence and research before investing in any token, including GEKKO token. The best part about this token is it is listed. Surprisingly, it is listed on crypto.com. No other meme coin which just launched get a chance to list on top tier 1 exchange. And somehow it got listed on crypto.com, which is one of the top centralized exchange, and also it is listed on Uniswap. You can check out, or if you want to buy from Uniswap, you can check out this option, which is the option shown right over here in the official GEKKOHQ.com website. GEKKO HQ Crypto. You can click on I understand and you can make a purchase right over here. So this is the easiest step if you are familiar with cryptocurrency. Otherwise, I suggest going with crypto.com because that is much easier way. Remember, nothing here is financial advice. Everything I share is just for knowledge purpose only. And please again, do your due diligence and search before investing. Otherwise, there are chances that you can lose all your funds. Just like stock market, crypto is no different except it is highly volatile in nature. With that, I complete my video. Remember to thumbs up, remember to like, subscribe and share, and remember to watch the video shared on the screen. Remember to join my Telegram. Remember to support me by donating Ethereum in the address which I've shown below. And with that, I say goodbye and I see you tomorrow with a new video and the new content. Till then, take care and have a nice day.